In this video, we're going to go over how to find Ohio inmate information, prison records, jail records, things like that, anything criminally related, using local public databases and private databases. So to get started, visit ohiopublicrecords.org. I'll put a link in the description. You can click on that or just type in ohiopublicrecords.org. On the home page here, you will notice there's an alphabetized list of the different public data bases you have available to you in the state of Ohio. But we're going to be talking about inmates and jail and prison records and criminal records. So what we created was a page for the most sought after records. So if you hover over other records, you'll notice you'll have options anything from background checks to court records to property records to inmate search. So let's click on inmate search, and what you'll notice is you'll have a state-wide database here, and this would be the Ohio Department of Corrections database. These would be prison records. And if you look lower, you have your county information, and these are like local sheriff's departments. So there's a difference between the two databases. Anybody that goes to a prison, that's typically a more severe sentence, over 12 months. And your jail records are going to consist of somebody could get arrested and released the same day or within a month or two. So they're not; these aren't like major sentences that people are serving, and so you have to use both databases if you want to locate arrest information. You're typically looking at jail records, and then if for somebody that's doing more time, more than 12 months, you would be looking at the Department of Correction information. So keep that in mind. Also, anytime somebody gets arrested, they will have to see a judge, and that creates a court record. So if you want to look deeper into what's happening with a particular arrest or with a particular case, you can also use court records. And as you can see, there are multiple counties that provide a database that the public can access if you'd like to get more information. Another thing to consider is the private database, and this is almost an instantaneous database. Now, the private database pulls records not just from the county or the state level. In Ohio, it pulls records from multiple states, multiple counties, multiple databases. So let's say somebody has a criminal event in Texas and then they end up moving to Ohio. If you're just looking at county records and state records, you won't necessarily see what potentially could have happened back in the day with that person. So if you're really trying to make sure all your bases are covered, it's a good idea to have that nationwide look, and also using local records, because local records are always going to be the most refreshed, the more up to date, more detailed. You can use them in combination with one another to make sure that you're getting as much information as possible. So once again, ohiopublicrecords.org. Come on down and get started on your Ohio inmate search. Thank you.